Hello friends, today in this tutorial I will be building a Angular 10 image zoom effect magnifier pop-up effect. So let me just show you a short demo of what we will be building. So this is a choose file button. Here you can choose any sort of image file. Let's suppose I choose this file. So this file will be loaded, and if I hover on this image you will see this is the zoom effect. You can zoom the effect here, zoom the image here like this. Very good library. You can do this for any image of your choice. You can just change the image. Let's suppose this image, and you will see we have successfully zoomed it inside this image. You can change these zoom levels accordingly. The library has options. So the library that I'm using for this effect is ngx image zoom. So this is a specifically Angular library, and all the source code of this video is given in the video description. I have given a link in the video description to my blog. So there is a step-by-step blog here. All the source code is given with with image instructions. So first of all we need to install this library, and for this we are using a online code editor, which is Code Sandbox. So just go to this website codesandbox.io, and the nice thing about this website, it instantly create your AngularJS project, or sorry, Angular project. And after you log in with your GitHub account, click on this option new sandbox, and then you will be wanted to select Angular technology. Select this Angular technology, and then you need to install the dependency, which is ngx-img-zoom. So here inside this, it will instantly create your Angular project. So let me just close all the windows so that you can see our Angular project is created. Now inside, if I drag down, you will see there will be a add dependency button. So here you need to search for your dependency ngx image zoom. So this is a dependency. Select this dependency, so it will install this inside the background. Now the first thing that we need to do is that we need to inform Angular about this dependency. So go to the app folder, app.module.ts file, and here you need to include this dependency. So I will just go to the documentation of the plugin. So it has got 563 weekly downloads. So the installation part is pretty simple. You need to copy this line right here, and you need to paste it line here. After this, paste it. This needs to be ngx this needs to be ngx img zoom module img. This needs to be ngx img, and now the same thing, I need to include this inside ngx img zoom module. That's it. So include this. Now this file is complete, so close this file. Now go to the app.component.html file. So here you need to delete all the HTML code, so this will be starting from scratch. And now you need to go to my blog. Here I have given all the source code of the HTML. So you just need to copy this button here, copy the code, and here you need to paste it. So here what will happen, you will see this choose file button. This is coming because of this input tag here, that is type file. It will only accept images, and whenever it change, this function will execute preview. It will take this file.files array. It will take all the files which are selected by the user. So now let me just show you. These are the properties of the plugin zoom image source. So basically here we are providing an image to it. We are also providing a preview image, which is called as preview image source. We are giving these styles here. These styles need to be present on the same line, so you just need to copy paste it. That's it. And this is a zoom option. Here you can see that enable zoom. So we will set all these options inside this file, which is app.component.ts file. So the very first thing that we need to do is that inside this file, if you drag down inside my block, I have copied this line at the very top. We need to import this service, which is paste this line ngx image zoom service. So just copy paste this line, and now we will write this function, which is this preview function. So basically this will read the file for us. So basically I can just copy paste the code here. You will see. Let me just paste this code here inside this paste. So basically this will have this preview option. Now we need to declare all these variables also. So right here I will declare all these variables. So let me just declare these variables. So right here at the top, you will declare this after the title, paste it. So basically this is have image path, image URL, message, error message. When you select a video file, this error message will come. Enable zoom is a boolean parameter. If you initialize the zoom option, then it will have true value. If you don't have the zoom option, you can just initialize it to false. Preview image source and zoom image source are the variables which will take the image for us. So if you don't select images, you will see this error message, only images are supported. So basically if I just choose file here, let's suppose, and if I go to my videos folder, and let's suppose I select a video file, let's suppose I click on files. If I select this, you will see this error message coming, only images are supported. So basically this is a message that you are seeing. So first of all, it compares if the image file is valid or not. After this, it takes this file reader class, it takes the reader object, and then it initializes to the preview image source and zoom image source, so which we have binded inside our app.component.html file. So now if I upload a valid image, let's suppose I choose a file once again, and if I go to Lightshot, if I select this file, you will see, now you will see this image is rendered on the screen, and if I hover onto it, you will see this zoom option will be there. So now I need to save all this code here so that I can open this inside the browser. So just save it, and also inside app.module, click on the save option. So what you can do is that you can just copy this URL and open this inside your browser. So you will see it will compile all the dependency, and this is a live URL that it gives you for your app, so that you can share this URL with your friends also. So if I choose any sort of file, you will see this is a zoom level. You can see that you can customize this zoom level by going to a property. Let me just show you. If you go to app.component.html, this is a property. Let me show you. Length style. So here you can customize the width. Let's suppose I want a zoom out, so I can just change it to 155 pixel and height to 155 pixels. So here I need to just save it. So you can play with these options so to customize your zoom level inside your image. So if I refresh here, you will see the customization will be there. Now if I select this image, you will see now it will zoom out, and now it will have these nice zoom effect that you can have inside your Angular 10 application. So in this tutorial we saw that how to zoom in and zoom out of the images through this ngx image zoom library. All the source code will be there inside the video description. You can go to the video description to go to my blog and download the source code. Guys, please like the video, please support me, please subscribe the channel and hit the notification bell icon, and I will be seeing you in next tutorial.